I'm about to show you how big the universe is, and I'm warning you now, it might cause an existential crisis. We think we're important, but compared to the cosmos, we're less than a speck on a speck on a speck. The universe is so big that big isn't even a useful word anymore. Let's zoom out. Let's start small. The moon is about 240,000 miles away. If you could drive there, it would take about 4 months at highway speed. Astronauts made it in 3 days. But here's the thing. You could fit every single planet in our solar system in the gap between Earth and the moon. All of them. Our sun is so big that 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. If the sun were a basketball, Earth would be a tiny grain of sand about 80 feet away. And our sun isn't even that big. It's just an average star. There are stars out there that make our sun look like that grain of sand. Our solar system is mostly empty space. If the sun were the size of a ball in New York, Neptune would be a marble in San Francisco. The Voyager spacecraft has been traveling for over 45 years and still hasn't left our solar system. At its speed, it would take 70,000 years to reach the nearest star. Distances in space are so huge, we measure them in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year. Light moves at 670 million miles per hour. In 1 year, it covers about 6 trillion miles. The nearest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light years away. At our fastest spacecraft speed, that's about 75,000 years. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains between 200 and 400 billion stars. If you counted 1 star per second, it would take over 6,000 years to count them all. And each of those stars could have planets. There might be more planets in our galaxy than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. Our galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. If you shrunk the entire solar system down to the size of a coin, our galaxy would be the size of the United States. Light leaving one end of the galaxy right now won't reach the other side until your at about 4,000 greats, grandchildren are born. Here's where it gets wild. The Milky Way is just one galaxy among at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions of stars. That's more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth combined. We're not just small, we're impossibly, incomprehensibly small. Galaxies crash into each other. The Milky Way is currently eating smaller galaxies, and in about 4 billion years, we'll collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. But don't worry, there's so much empty space that stars probably won't hit each other. The galaxies will pass through each other like ghosts. Here's something trippy. We can only see a portion of the universe. Light from beyond the observable universe hasn't had time to reach us since the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. The observable universe is a sphere, about 93 billion light years across. But what's beyond that edge? More universe. The actual universe might be infinite. We have no idea how big it really is. Some calculations suggest it's at least 250 times larger than what we can observe. There could be regions of space so far away that light from there will never reach us, no matter how long we wait. Forever invisible. Space isn't evenly filled with stuff. There are cosmic voids, regions with almost nothing in them. The Buddhist void is 330 million light years across and contains almost no galaxies. If Earth were in the center of this void, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. At the largest scales, the universe looks like a cosmic web. Galaxies cluster along filaments surrounding enormous voids like soap bubbles. This structure is billions of light years across. We're like ants living on a single thread of an unimaginably huge spider web. Everything, all of space, time, matter, and energy came from the single point smaller than an atom about 13.8 billion years ago. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was the creation of space, and it's still happening. The universe is still expanding, and the expansion is accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other as space itself stretches. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's receding. Galaxies at the edge of the observable universe are moving away faster than the speed of light. Not through space, but because space between us is being created. We'll never be able to reach them. Here's the wildest part. We can only see about 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. Mysterious stuff we can't detect directly. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Dark energy is pushing the universe apart faster and faster. We're mostly blind to what the universe actually is. Stars won't shine forever. In about 100 trillion years, the last stars will burn out. The universe will go dark. Only black holes will remain, slowly evaporating over unimaginable timescales. Eventually, even they will disappear. The universe will become cold, dark, and empty. But that's trillions of years away. With hundreds of billions of galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, the odds of us being alone seem tiny. But we've found no evidence of other intelligent life. This is the Fermi paradox. Where is everyone? Maybe life is rare. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves. Or maybe they're too far away to ever contact. Every atom in your body was forged in a star that exploded billions of years ago. You are literally made of star stuff. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, all of it came from ancient stellar furnaces. We are the universe experiencing itself. You're not just in the universe, you are the universe. The universe is unimaginably vast, ancient, and mostly beyond our reach. Yet here we are, tiny beings on a pale blue dot, trying to understand it all. Every problem you have, every worry, exists on a planet that's a speck, orbiting a speck, in a galaxy of specks among trillions. Let that give you peace. Thanks for watching.